one of the main factors here that aggravates psoriasis, or if you have the gene for psoriasis, pag genes kasi, we cannot argue with that. It comes from your mom, your dad, your grandparents, etc. But if you're stressed, well, that's something that you can handle.
Ano ba ang psoriasis na ito? Anong
Okay.
klaseng condition ito, Doc?
Well, that's a very good question. Just clarify, psoriasis is generally the medical term used to describe when your skin, which is part of the integumentary system, no, it is a big immune system, a protector of you from toxins or toxicants. And the problem is the skin is rapidly creating, no, or producing new skin, which is supposed to be within a month dapat yan. Kaya lang, in studies, it has shown it has been creating new skin within a span of just 3 to 7 days.
Napakabilis. Oo.
And
Mm-mm.
the manifestation of this, no, is it causes you to have red or gray patches. Whether you scratch it or not, meron rin lesions. And it can be in your hand, your fingers, it can be in your arms, it can be in your legs, no, at the back of your knees. It can also be in your scalp or the head, pwedeng ganon. And the problem here kasi is there are many different types of psoriasis, no? Nandiyan yung vulgar, pustular, inverse, but we're not going to talk about that. But what we want to talk about is how does this, how do you get this? And what
Yan. Opo.
is, but
Okay.
definitely one of the main factors here that aggravates psoriasis, or if you have the gene for psoriasis, pag genes kasi, we cannot argue with that. It comes from your mom, your dad, your grandparents, etc. But if you're stressed, well, that's something that you can handle. Yung stress.
Yes. Doc,
Okay.
paano nakakaapekto ang sakit
Stress,
na yung stress sa sakit
psoriasis.
sa balat, 'di
Yes,
ba?
yes, that's true. You will experience the word, or you've experienced flares, right? And flaring occurs if you have psoriasis or even eczema. When you are stressed, I'll allow me to explain it to you. So, ganito po yan. Stress is measured by also the movement of your nervous system. May tinatawag po tayong ANS, Autonomic Nervous System. Meron tayong tinatawag na fight response, fight flight, and then meron ka naman sa relaxation, no? So that yung sympathetic nervous system ng isang tao, nagiging dominant siya, na para siyang laging alert, na kahit dapat actually kunyari, even in hours, wee hours na dapat tulog ka, alert ka pa rin. It makes your heart beat faster. It makes your body secrete hormones that are stress hormones. When your heart continues to pump this blood of yours, which is full of stress hormones, then you have the gene of psoriasis, it triggers now your flares or psoriasis to manifest.
Yes, Doc.
Yan
Mm-mm.
ang concern
So,
natin.
yun.
Oo.
Mm-mm.
Nami-measure natin yan ka-partner eh. May test na dyan na tinatawag na photoplethysmography. Ang stress index ng isang tao na nami-measure na kapag nasa 60 na siya, tapos ang sympathetic tone ay dominant sobra, kung ang weakest link ng tao, na genes niya is may kasamang psoriasis, then talaga mag-switch on yung gene na yon. And we experience that. And stress is also it's a choice. It's a choice if if we're gonna cope well with it. Kasi if our stress resistance or coping mechanism is good, then it will not impact now your psoriasis.
Mhm. Oo, ayun. Kung marunong ka mag-handle ng stress, 'di ba? O kasi
Yes.
alam mo, ako may kilala akong tao, no, na grabe ang stress sa buhay, no? Thinking that kumbaga she's acting ano to, single parent, 'di ba?
Oh,
Having her a business wherein yung business ay panglalaki, ha?
mahirap yan. Mahirap yan.
Oo.
That's
'Di
hard.
ba no, partner Dang Karudan? Pero ano hindi nabanggit ko lang si Dang kasi nakikinig siya, ay nanonood siya sa atin, ha? Ayun. 'Di ba no, pero Dok, yung kaya mong i-handle, 'di ba? Yung
Yes.
nakakatawa ka pa, nag-e-enjoy ka sa buhay, na parang wala lang, no? Kailangan talaga yan. Ako, lalong-lalo na pagka meron pala kayo na, before na-experience na you have this history, no?
Yes.
Kailangan siguro, umattend rin siya ng training on stress management pala,
Yes.
Doc.
Yes.
Wow!
Agree. I so agree with that. And kapartner, I think this is also very important. Whatever suits you, no? It is very important to put in meditation, prayer.
Okay.
Dapat
Mm-mm.
yan. Ito yung tinatawag nilang centering eh. So that will help you relax para hindi mag-beat yung heart mo ng fast, no? And
Yes.
you should accompany it with deep diaphragmatic breathing exercises.
Oh.
Kapartner, breathing, it does not have to be where you catch it in the lungs. It dapat nasa diaphragm talaga. Para
Yan, oo, from
taga
within, no?
quality breathing yon. Yes.
Oo, yung di, ano ka, hihinga ka ng napakalalim, no, sa yung diaphragm, then you're going to release it very slowly,
Yes,
no?
that's
Mm-mm.
the solutions actually to handling psoriasis in terms of management.
Yes.
Another partner is I don't know if people still do this, but during our generation, we used to write journals or
Ay,
diaries. We write, diba?
aha.
And there are times when we have the deepest longings or circumstances of our heart. We're not comfortable into telling that to other people. We can write about it. We can write
Yes,
about it
oo.
in diaries. We keep it.
Nakakatulong no?
Yes,
I understand that's what psychologists are doing, no? Especially when they have these patients sa mga kids, no? Yung iba nga pinagdodraw.
yes,
Pinagdodraw
yes,
sila para ma-release, no? Yung kung ano bang feelings nila, and even to understand what they are going through, no?
yes, yes.
Yun. Yeah, oh.
Wonderful.
Oo. So, paano yan, Doc? Kung ikaw ay merong pasyente na merong lumapit, no? Ganyan yung kondisyon, and as you interviewed her or him, lumilitaw na dahil pala sa stress. Ano yung ginagawa? Is it do you give them medications also
Yes,
together with the some advices like this one?
yes, yes. Well, each patient will be different, no. Of course, most of our patients have already seen a dermatologist, and they will be
Ah,
giving them certain creams or steroidal creams. And some would like to go through the usual, kasi psoriasis, ginagamitan niya ng medication, usually methotrexate. But matapang yan na drug, di ba? Pag ginagamit, siniswero yan. It's sort of like a chemo agent na ginagamit. Mahirap.
okay.
O what is supposed to be for cancer is being used for people of psoriasis na hindi naman cancer. But it's part of their protocol. So some patients would come na, okay, you don't want to go through it. Sabi ko, you stick to your topicals. So we review further. We audit. Ano bang nangyayari? Also, stress is high. And when the stress is high, they eat a lot and they drink a lot. So we have to remove alcoholic beverages. We have to remove also smoking. We have to remove basically processed foods, processed meats, fatty diets, no? And we have to replace that with now, these are the solutions, the nutritional side, no? Rich fruits and vegetables that are rich in vitamin B's, no, vitamin D, and and of course, the fruits and vegetables that are rich also in proteolytic enzymes like papain and bromelain. Um, you know that you've heard of that. These are enzymes that are important sa gut that break down food. Probiotics can also help, but on our end, kapag may cream na yan, na steroids, ayaw rin ng pasyente, we allow them to use what we call aloe vera cream. It has been used, no, to treat people with eczema or psoriasis. And
Mm,
anti-inflammatory remedies na uh, therapeutic but not hindi naman siya pharmacological grade. Yung mga turmeric, they can take that. Vitamin C, these can
mm,
help. Collagen can also help. So,
yes.
yan po ang ating mga pwedeng gawin.
Mhm. Okay, so even though yung mga partners natin dyan, you have the history but you haven't got it this season, no? So ngayon pa lang gawin niyo na po yung binabanggit ni Doc, ha? Para hindi na po magkaroon ng muli paglitaw, no? So, ibig sabihin, Doc, there's the possibility of uh, uh, experiencing it more often pagka talagang pag
Yes,
sinuway mo to, itong mga payo na ito, na lagi ka na lang stress, no?
yeah, you're
Yes,
correct. You're
go ahead,
correct,
Doc.
partner, eh. Supposing kasi it's end of the year, calendar year, you have targets as a, let's say, these are real cases. You're in sales, you're in finance, you have so much to comply with, to review, to audit, and you have targets to meet. That's the problem. It impacts your body biologically, and uh, you have to treat it, and you have to hit the brake because having psoriasis is very very uncomfortable. There are
Mm.
people who have it and they walk. When they walk, the skin sheds.
Ah,
That's really hard. There are
oh,
people who actually would have conversations or maybe would have a meeting and they will scratch themselves. It's very
yes.
it's very, I would say, awkward and inconvenient, diba?
Ah, 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 ah.
So what can we do? Because preventative care is always best than giving the ounce of cure. So when prevention is how you manage stress. You sleep early, you hydrate properly, you have an exercise that does not have to be so high intensity. You don't have to do high intensity intervals. You can actually do simple walking, cycling, or swimming, where you don't have to do it in a sprint intensity. That'll help you. You also have to eat a rainbow. Ano ba yan? Mga kalabasa, mga sweet potato, so on and so forth. But please avoid poultry or yung mga seafood,
Balansa.
malangsa.
Oo, mga malansa. Oo. And ito lang, Doc, what about the clothing? Kasi marami ako nakikita talaga, those who having
Uy,
psoriasis. They 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 usually wear jackets. Pero sabi ko, para namang hindi naman tama. Lalo na dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, even though we have this wet season, no, napakainit pa rin, 'di ba?
uh, yes.
Oo.
Um, yes, that is true. That once you have it and you have not started doing a management protocol, they truly wear long sleeves. They truly wear jackets, even if it's hot. It is for their protection because masela na po rin po ang kanilang skin eh, tegumentary. If it falls off, they itch. There are
Oo.
lesions. May bukas. May bukas ka na mga
Ah,
sugat din. So they have to protect themselves also.
I
Pero,
see.
pero this is what I tell you. This is what I tell you. In this one particular trigger, which we've determined, which is stress, which is uh, it says a lot, no, about how the psoriasis will manifest. You really need to cope with stress well, and we've mentioned that through proper sleep, exercise, hydration, diet, meditation, your relationships, even your social relationships with your friends or your families. If you have to revisit them because those turbulence there can contribute. Even turbulence in the workplace will contribute also sa psoriasis na meron mo. So
Oh,
we have to fix that. Oh,
mhm. Oo nga eh. Ang sama pa naman, Doc, ano, napagkamala ang psoriasis ng parang galis, no? That's
oh,
why, andun din yung ano eh. Actually, if they have that condition already and it is manifesting, no, talaga naman, ah, parang lalo ka ata may stress, Doc, kasi yung tingin sa'yo ng tao, most probably will be affected, 'di ba? The people will, I don't know if they're scared o parang iiwasan kanila kasi may parang ano ba yun, kakaiba yung
oh.
kanyang skin, 'di ba? Ha?
Don't worry,
Talagang
ka-partner.
iwasan ka.
O, totoo yun. But since this is a healthy chat, we give them some solutions already. So
Yes.
we've already given you some ideas on your nutritional build-up, the food that you eat, supplements that you take. Let's talk now about a different type of topicals that we can use. Okay, so aloe
Yes.
vera cream can help you, but in terms now of well, taking a bath, having a warm bath, you can use now what we call lavender and Epsom salt.
Mm.
Epsom salt can help you in a warm bath sa bathtub kayo or kahit meron kayong tabo o ano, lagyan niyo po ng Epsom salt yung warm water. And this will help you soothe and also close the lesions or open wounds.
Opo.
For those who have problems naman here, like sa face, sa forehead, aloe vera cream can help. Sa scalp, no, sa scalp, what we can do kasi medyo sensitive yan. There are what we call shampoos that have aloe vera, that have shampoos that have argan oil. They can help. Or we have shampoos that have stem cell. Meron po tayong ganyan. Regenerative medicine can help you also heal the injured areas. The problem kasi when people scratch all the time, may naiiwan talagang sugat dyan. And then it starts to be so building up dandruff. We have to close that and we have to soothe the area. So syempre, nutraceuticals, hindi lang naman yung nutraceuticals na kinakain o iniinom natin. Even ang skin nag-absorb. So let us go more natural as we can be. Kasi if we already know that this is a manifestation of toxicity, di ba?
Yes.
Toxicity mula sa nutrients, toxicity mula sa food, iba na rin kasi ang pagkain ngayon mula sa pagkain ng panahon natin, iba, di ba? Nag-iiba na rin po ang nutritional facts niya, values. So, yun po ang gagawin po natin to avoid po the different types of psoriasis. Yun po.
Okay. So parang ano pala to, there's this holistic approach, no?
Oh,
na
yes.
hindi lamang po gamot, no? Kailangan din po ang talagang pag-aayos ng lifestyle natin, manner of thinking natin para hindi ito pa ulit-ulit na maranasan ng mga kapartners natin.
Oh, yes.
Yan,
yes. Tama, kapartners. Yes.
Oo. Yes. So alam niyo na, ha? Oo. Dun sa mga may psoriasis, so you can also go to the clinic of Dr. Pao Bellosillo for further advice, even though you've already visited your dermatologist, no? Dahil sabi nga ay hindi lamang ito concern ng derma, no? Yung dermatological side, but of course yung well-being natin, kasama dito.
If I may add, tama po kayo it is a concern of the whole being, the whole system. And we have to also to see the fact that it has reached that point, nagiging chronic na yan eh. If the patches have stayed in your body for more than a month, 2 or 3 months, be already a year, that's already chronic. And it's possible also that you're acidic, and it will give rise to other comorbidities such as diabetes, hypertension, or whatever, what have you. Ayaw natin yung mangyari sa inyo.